Hey there! Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the latest tech and gaming gear. Today, I'm excited to help you supercharge your Steam Deck experience with the best SSDs available on the market. If you're looking to enhance your gaming performance, load times, and storage capacity, you're in the right place. We'll explore the top options that will elevate your gameplay and keep you ahead of the competition. So grab your controller, get comfy, and let's jump into the best SSDs that will transform your Steam Deck. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for exclusive deals. Number 5. Sabrent has designed the Rocket Q4 2230 NVMe 4.02 TB SSD specifically for devices like the Steam Deck and Asus ROG Ally, making it the perfect choice for those looking to upgrade their gaming experience. This compact SSD fits seamlessly into tight spaces, ensuring compatibility without compromising performance. With lightning-fast speeds of up to 5 Gbps in sequential bandwidth and impressive 800K IOPS, the Rocket Q4 delivers Gen 4 performance even in devices that can only support Gen 3, ensuring smooth gaming and quick load times. Don't settle for slower storage options like microSD cards or bulky external drives. The Rocket Q4 2230 offers a whopping 2 TB of internal storage, giving you the space you need for all your favorite games. Its advanced technology combines a powerful Phison E21T controller with efficient Micron 3D NAND flash, allowing for exceptional cooling and performance even under pressure. Plus, it comes with a retail warranty and Sabrent support, along with a copy of Acronis True Image for easy cloning and imaging. For anyone searching for the best SSD for Steam Deck, the Sabrent Rocket Q4 2230 is a top contender. Upgrade your gaming setup today and enjoy the benefits of high-performance storage right at your fingertips. Number 4. Lexar has delivered a game-changing solution with the 1 TB Play 2230 PCIe Gen 4x4 NVMe SSD. This ultra-compact SSD is tailored for handheld gaming consoles like the Steam Deck, Asus ROG Ally, and Legion Go, making it the ideal choice for gamers seeking speed and portability. With lightning-fast transfer speeds of up to 5,200 MB per second and write speeds of 4,700 MB per second, you can quickly move large game files without hassle. The 1 TB capacity provides ample storage for your favorite games, ensuring you can take your entire library on the go. Thanks to SLC dynamic cache technology, you'll experience quicker game loading and download times, allowing you to dive into gameplay without unnecessary delays. Plus, this SSD is designed with energy efficiency in mind, automatically adjusting its power consumption based on your device's needs, so you can enjoy longer gaming sessions without worrying about battery life. Whether you're upgrading your gaming setup or looking for the best SSD for Steam Deck, the Lexar Play 2230 is an unbeatable choice that combines high performance with a compact form factor. Plus, with a 5-year limited warranty, you can game with confidence, knowing your investment is protected. Number 3. TeamGroup MP44S SSD 2 TB SLC Cache Gen 4x4 M.2 2230 PCIe 4.0 NVMe is an outstanding choice for those looking to upgrade their Steam Deck or lightweight devices. This compact SSD packs a powerful punch with its small 22x30mm form factor, offering remarkable sequential read speeds of up to 5,000 MB per second and write speeds of up to 3,500 MB per second. The TeamGroup MP44S is designed for seamless performance, ensuring your gaming experience is smooth and lag-free. One of its standout features is the innovative heat-dissipating graphene label, which enhances heat dissipation and contributes to system stability, allowing for extended gaming sessions without overheating. It also supports Gen 4 speeds while being compatible with PCIe Gen 3 interfaces, making it versatile for various setups. With a massive capacity of 2 TB, this SSD provides ample space for all your favorite games and applications. If you're searching for the best SSD for your Steam Deck, the TeamGroup MP44S delivers the perfect blend of high performance and compact design, ensuring your gaming setup stays lightweight without sacrificing speed or storage. Number 2. Seagate FireCuda 520N SSD is a game changer for your gaming devices, particularly the Steam Deck, Microsoft Surface, and laptops. This ultra-small NVMe SSD delivers blazing fast speeds of up to 4,800 megabytes per second for the 1TB version, while the 2TB version pushes it even further to an incredible 5,000 megabytes per second. With a capacity of 1TB or 2TB, you can store all your favorite games, files, and applications without worrying about running out of space. This SSD not only enhances the performance of handheld devices but also provides a powerful and smooth gaming experience. Enjoy fast loading times and seamless gameplay that make every gaming session enjoyable. Additionally, the FireCuda 520N comes with Seagate's 3-year rescue data recovery services, ensuring that your data is protected against unexpected losses. The 5-year industry-leading warranty further solidifies its reliability. If you're looking for the best SSD for your Steam Deck, the Seagate FireCuda 520N is the perfect choice. Upgrade your gaming experience with this high-performance SSD, and never look back. Number 1. WD_Black brings you the powerful 2TB SN770M M.2 NVMe SSD, specifically designed for handheld gaming devices. Experience lightning-fast performance with read speeds of up to 5,150 megabytes per second, making it perfect for gamers seeking quick game installations and seamless level loads. Whether you're playing on the Asus ROG Ally or the Valve Steam Deck, this SSD enhances your gaming experience by allowing you to store and access larger games without compromise. The WD_Black SN770M utilizes trusted Western Digital TLC 3D NAND technology, offering a generous 2 terabytes of storage capacity. This ensures you have ample space for your favorite games, expansions, and downloadable content, all while maintaining the reliability you expect from Western Digital. If you're looking to upgrade your M.2 2230 SSD compatible laptop, like many models from Microsoft Surface or Dell, this SSD is also an excellent choice to revitalize your system. With a 5-year limited warranty, the WD_Black SN770M provides peace of mind along with its exceptional performance. The Western Digital dashboard software, available on Windows, helps keep your drive optimized, ensuring you stay at the top of your game. For those in search of the best SSD for Steam Deck, the WD_Black 2TB SN770M is your ultimate solution for enhanced gaming performance and storage expansion. In conclusion, choosing the best SSD for your Steam Deck can significantly enhance your gaming experience by improving load times and overall performance. Whether you opt for the high-speed NVMe SSDs or the more budget-friendly options, upgrading your storage will provide you with the space and speed needed for seamless gaming. Be sure to consider your gaming needs and budget before making a decision. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.